Hello everyone, my name's Katie and I'm a Learning Officer at the City of London Corporation. I work in the Open Spaces Learning team. Today I'm going to show you how to make leaf prints. This is a simple activity that makes amazing nature art using leaves instead of paint. You can even do this indoors using leaves from a houseplant instead. Here are some leaf prints that I made earlier. You can make them using paper or even kitchen roll, like these ones. You can cut them to any size that you like. For instance, one this size might make a really good bookmark. For this activity, we need to collect many green, juicy leaves. It's important not to pick too many leaves from one plant because plants need their leaves to make food for themselves. Therefore, I'm only going to pick leaves from plants that have many leaves. It's a good idea to check with your adult what leaves you're allowed to pick first. So I've collected some nice green leaves, including some from my vegetable and herb plants, as well as some blades of grass because they make lovely line patterns. So I've chosen to use some kitchen roll to make my leaf print today. So the first thing you need to do is fold it in half, just like so. And then what you want to do is place your leaves on one half of your kitchen roll and fold the other half over. And you need a small rock and you want to try and gently tap the leaf in between the kitchen roll without hurting your fingers. When you start doing this, you can see the lovely green colour of the leaves start to come through. So here's my finished leaf print. You can see that the leaves left prints on both halves of the kitchen roll, making a symmetrical pattern, so it looks like a mirror image. I'm also really pleased that the green colour came through, and I didn't even use any paint. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I hope that you guys do too. I'm going in to wash my hands now, which you ought to do once you finish your leaf printing, and feel free to leave a comment on this video showing us your leaf print creations as well. Bye for now.